Yeah, it's my truck right here. It's my truck. GMC Sierra. And yeah, go around so we can see it. Go around so we can see it. Show the rims. Show the rims. Step back, take a good picture of it. Put this picture. I know you guys can't keep this, but you guys can take a mental picture of this if you want hanging up on your wall. But yeah. All right, get this. Let me see this real quick. Let me get Richard. I gotta get Richard. Let me see you. Let me see. Come over here. Come over here. It's a big joke. It's a big joke. All right. You see my truck right here? Go around this way. You can see it from the back of it. Mufflers. All right, I'll start it up for you. Here, Richard. Let me start it up for you.
Jay's exclusive. Yeah.
Back there so you can hear it.